Good day everyone, GarageKing here, and if you want to save some cash when you need new wiper blades, what you should do is just buy the rubber refills and not replace the whole blade. The other thing I found too is a lot of times if you just get the rubber refills from the dealership, the rubber's actually really good quality and better than most blades that you just buy, the full blades. So anyway, to get them off, they're all pretty similar. All you have to do is like pop up a little plastic clip just like this, then we're going to slide it down and then twist it and it should come off. And then once we got it off, then all we have to do is take it to the garage. Now, when you're in the garage after running to the dealership to get your wiper blade, then what you have to do, measure it, make sure firstly that you have the right size. So that's why it's best to go to the dealership. The other thing I wanted to say is it's got two sides. They're very distinct sides. This one you can see here, the channel is open, so it's free. The blade can just move back and forth. There's nothing actually holding it. Then when we slide back all the way to the other side, we're going to take a look. This side's a little bit different, folks. Take a look at this. This one has some type of clip, like a little claw or clamp, whatever you want to call it, and it prevents the wiper from flying out, I guess, when you turn it on and you're actually using it. So this is the one that actually secures it into the housing. So how do we get it off? All you have to do is sort of pull it in the middle, and you're going to pull towards the clamping part. So that's the part they all come out from. And then once you got that free, you'll just pull it out of the wiper blade, just like so. And then don't take it apart too fast. What you're going to do is you're going to have to pick up your new wiper blade refill, and you're going to hold them together. Make sure that you have it right side up because it only goes in one way. You can see there it's matching on this side, and I'm going to pan down and I'm going to show you the other side. You'll be able to see as well. They're going to match on the other side. There you go. You can see how they match like this. So they only go in one way. So make sure you line them up. Now what's most important is once you take out these steel spring things, well, they're not actually springs, but I guess it's a type of spring material, and it gives the wiper its shape so you get it works properly on your windshield. Anyway, you will remove the old one, and then you'll grab the new one and make sure you put it in the slot. You can see there I'm putting it in a slot. Now it's important to keep the left and the right the same because they are different, and I'm going to show you. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put these spring things back in the channel of the new wiper blade, and I'll pan down to the bottom, and I want you to take a look right here, and you can see there's these little divots. They have like divots. I'll give you a better shot there, and there you go. You can see they're in different positions, so they are different. So the left and the right are different. And then what you're going to do is you're going to insert it the exact same way you took it out back into the wiper arm itself. Now once it's slid in the channels properly, you'll see there is our clamping mechanism again, and we're just going to give it a little push and it'll pop back in, and there you go. That's all there is to it, so it is that easy. Let's take a look at the old ones. You can see here they're just falling apart. You can see how easy I can actually pull them apart. That's how worn out they were, so there's really nothing left. And if you're driving like this, it's actually pretty dangerous, and you could have a crash if you don't see well. So definitely don't want to crash your car. It's not worth it. Just put new wiper blade refills on. So let's go back to the truck, and if you're wondering what that fire is there, it's really sunny and it's reflecting on the window, so I just put that in there just so we could see and the video wouldn't get washed out. Anyway, you can see how I clipped it on back there. It's really easy to clip on, that easy. I'll show you another shot just so you can see there. All I'm going to do is take the hook part of the wiper arm, and I'm just going to slide it into the wiper blade. Wait, let me just position it. There we go. And you can see it is slid in just like this. And then to prevent it from coming off, all I'm going to do is I'm going to snap the clip down just like so. There we go. So as you can see, this was a really easy job to do, not unlike this brake job I'm doing right now with this seized caliper. I don't even know why I'm putting this in, but anyway, just for fun, I guess. But all I really needed was just a little flathead screwdriver. So anyway, that's it for the video today. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Any questions, anything like that, let me know. GarageKing over and out. Hope to see you on the next one.